starting with the Venn diagram. You may have already heard of this before in your junior years. Venn diagrams simply look like this, and it has two circles that overlap with each other. And the overlapping part is where both A and B is common. Okay, so this moon-shaped part here is the region for only A. This is the region for only B, and this is for where both A and B hold commonly. This is pretty much all you need to know. We'll try the questions, the probability questions, using this diagram. I'll read you the question. Football players drink either water or soft drink or both. There are 14 players who drink water and 17 players who drink soft drink in the squad of 21 players. So there's 21 players altogether, and they either drink water or soft drink or both. Part A says draw a Venn diagram for this information. So I'm going to draw up my two circles that overlap each other. That's what you should start off with. We know that there's water or soft drink. Okay, either there's two of them you can choose from. I'm going to start by finding the part where it's both hold commonly. So this part here, the middle overlapping part. What I did was add 14 and 17, okay, because these are the people who drink water, these are the people who drink soft drink, and if you add them, you'll probably realize that it's greater than 21. And the reason for that is because they overlap. Okay, because the overlapping part is included twice. So therefore, to just find that overlapping part, we add the 14 and 17 and subtract the total number of players, which will get you 10. So 10 people are overlapping. 10 people drink both water and soft drink. Okay, so that's how you find the common part, the both. Only water, water is this whole circle here, is represented by this whole circle. And we know that 10 of the people who drink water also drink soft drink. But to find the people who only drink water, this moon-shaped part here, it will simply be the 14 players who drink water minus the 10 who also drink soft drink. So we do 14 minus 10 to get 4, so only 4 people drink just water only. So those 4 people don't drink soft drink at all. That's what they mean there. Now let's find the people who drink just soft drink. So we know that this whole circle is the number of people who drink soft drink. And we know that 10 of them also drink water. They don't really care, they drink both. But to find the number of people who just drink soft drink, that will just be 17 minus the 10 people who also drink water. So that would be equal to 7. So 7 people only drink soft drink. And that's it, we've just finished the diagram. So that's the Venn diagram. It says one team member is selected at random. So we're going to pick one, and I want to find the probability that he drinks water but not soft drink. So this person only drinks water. How many people drink just water? You just have to look at this one. So it's simply going to be 4 out of the 21 people, or the players. So it's 4 out of 21, that's the probability. So how easy is that? Okay, so that's how we come up with the answers, by looking at the Venn diagram. So that's pretty much what we're going to be doing for the next few questions.